Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be showing you the location and removal of the heater resistor from a Peugeot 38T7, and in the process we're going to be removing the glove box. Please keep in mind Australia is left-hand drive with the steering on the right, and this process might not be applicable to countries that are right-hand drive with the steering on the left. Starting off with the glove box, underneath there will be a little cover or a big cover which is held on by plastic clips you can remove quite easily. And underneath this cover there will be two Torx screws, one on either side. I believe they are T20. Remove both of these screws, and then next, with a tool that's in a hook shape on the inside of the glove box, we will need to remove the courtesy light. From the back, go in with your hook tool and then pull it out like so, and then you'll need to unplug the courtesy light. Now there are 4 Torx screws, 3 to the front and 1 towards the back of the glove box on the inside, which you'll need to remove. And the last one is to the back over there. Lastly, on the side of the glove box, when you open the door, there is a cover over here which you can pull off with a clip remover, and over here this part of the glove box hooks on, so you just need to hook it off and it'll come out quite easily. The plug over here you do not have to unplug, you just need to detach it from the glove box, and then there is a plug over here that we need to unplug. Now we have access to the heater resistor, which is located underneath this foamy cover. There's this plastic nut kind of thing which you just pull off and then lift the foam cover up, and then you will have access to your blower motor, which is over there, which is in another video, and the resistor. If you have found this video helpful so far, please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel. Unplugging the resistor, you press on that part there and then pull off. The next part is a bit hard to show exactly how to remove the resistor. However, what I did over there, which you couldn't see, was this is the resistor and that's the position. On that left side there's this piece here, this tab that you need to push in and then slide the resistor up and pull it out. That's what you do. It's quite easy but hard to record. One issue is it can get stuck on the heater core pipes, as you can see in the video. So what you'll need to do is not completely remove but partially unscrew this bracket here. It's got 2 screws on it. I believe it was a 7 or 8mm or a corresponding socket in inches. Partially remove, do not completely remove, and this is just going to enable the heater core to come out just a bit and give you enough space to wriggle the resistor out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most important, subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.